Welcome! You will notice in the next few modules there are checklists of to-do items. Now that you're implementing the comprehensive counseling program you planned during the Ascent level of Ramp Ready, these monthly checklists are designed to keep you on track and help manage your time and tasks. The first task is to review your annual calendar to see what lessons, small groups, and other activities you have planned for the month. If you need to add or delete anything from your calendar, click the pencil icon to make edits. To print a copy of your calendar to share on your website with your administrator, teachers, advisory council, or other stakeholders, click the report icon. Sharing your calendar can be an excellent way to communicate with stakeholders about all that the counseling program is doing. Deliver any classroom lessons, large group presentations, and/or small groups that you have scheduled for the month. For the lessons you selected in Module 5 that will be submitted with your RAMP application, be sure to conduct a pre-test prior to delivering the lesson or the unit of lessons, and a post-test immediately following the lesson. The same goes for the small group that you selected for your application. Be sure to save these results. You will enter these in a later module when you collect and analyze your results for the year. There are no submissions required for these modules. However, we have provided a checklist so that you can check off items as you complete them, just to serve as a visual reminder if you wish to use it. Thanks for watching. This video will be available at the start of each checklist module. As always, we're available for individual support through email, phone, text, or online with Zoom. If you need support, just reach out by calling or texting or emailing me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org.